Hello all. So today we are going through Playwright with JavaScript. I'm learning that one, and whatever I'm aware, whatever I'm learning, I'm just sharing those things. I'm not a trainer or I'm not any expert. Yeah, I'm just sharing whatever I learn. Okay. So to start Playwright and install, this is the URL from where you can download long version. I will open it. Yeah, it is already in. So I'm going to install URL. This site is that after the system configuration suggests you on the version for JS. Okay. Long support version. Next. So how quick? So node hyphen v we need to use. Okay. This version is to see the 244 yes. No. Visual Studio. So for this is the editor we're going to use. We will download. I have downloaded as well. So using this you can download and next. And these are which stages we need to write for VS Code. JavaScript. This is the we have downloaded correct which we have. So code hyphen EDC install right. So we need to give run and all these things in the in my system. But it is it. So yeah, you select accordingly all those things. Doing this paste and all. This is and things. Okay, once this is done, then you need the latest version of the command. It's I was able to find something so better. How to find Windows. We copy this command. Version I uploaded for the Playwright. Okay, it here and all these images. Okay, this is the file and all those. We'll check the next.